Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually edit your header in WordPress. So first of all, I will be telling you how to open WordPress. So you go ahead and open WordPress.com. I have already made a video about how you can actually make your first website in WordPress in 2 minutes. So make sure to watch it. And if you don't know how, just go ahead and open WordPress.com and locate your account, log it in, and that's how you can do it. And for those who doesn't know how to log in back to their account, go ahead and open WordPress.com/wp admin, and you will be able to join your dashboard. So now, as you can see, we have this dashboard. Click on visit site to see our website, and now what you will have to do is click on edit site from here. So now it will be open in a couple seconds, just like so. It will not take a lot of time. Just like that, you can edit and choose whatever section you'd like. For example, here's the footer, here's the header, and here's the body of the website. So we want now the header, which will locate at the top of the page. So click on it. As you can see, they picked it as the header of our website, so it is the header. And now from here we can click on edit or duplicate it, or we really like, so we will edit it now. So as you can see here, we can change the text here. For example, make it bigger, make it something like that, make it something like that, copy block, lock it, create template part, or even you can come here, click on this plus in here, which will be in the right side, and do something like that. Add a paragraph, an image. Let's for example add an image. And just like so, you can add actually an image in your header. So upload, something like that. And it's so big, but you can make it smaller by just moving it like that. You can click on save, and this will take a couple seconds. And we open our website again, and just like so, guys. So that's how you can actually edit your header in WordPress. Please, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.